Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an automation in Make.com to watch subreddit in Reddit for new links and then send them to your Discord and send a message so then you can get it right on your phone pretty much in real time. So here I've got the completed scenario. Let's just see it in action first, and then I'm going to show you how to build it. So we have the scenario here. Let's run it once. Here's our alerts. This is my the subreddits that come through. I'm going to run it once, and it went through the filter, and there we go. Look at this; it just showed up. Anyone else automating their outreach pipeline with AI agents? So this would come through. Now I've got just the desktop version going, but this can come through your phone, and then you can see it right away. Click on the link, and then respond to it. So let's get into the build. So what I'm going to do is let's create a new. Here we're going to just start a new one here. I'm going to build it right below it. So let's put the little clock there. So that's where we start, and we go to Reddit, and we're going to watch for new links. So do. Whoops, I got to spell it right in order to find it. Watch. And they have all these different ones you can watch for on it. And I'm going to put for watch for new links in a specific subreddit. So now what we want to do, we want to click connect to Reddit. I already have my connection in here. If you don't have one, you click add and then you connect to Reddit. Now here's where we want to put the subreddit in. So I'm going to go to Reddit here, and I want to find one for automation because that's what I do here. And I'm going to find the communities, and here's the one, automation. It's got 78,000 weekly visitors, so let's look at that. So this one will do. All we need to copy is from the /r. We don't need to copy the Reddit part, so we're going to copy that. We're going to put it in here. Even if you see how it says, just put /r/ whatever the subreddit is. So it's automation is the subreddit that we want. How many do we want to pull? I'm going to just pull 4, but you can pull however many that you want. And I'm just going to click from now on. But that's when we have it going. We'll test it. I'll change it for when we test it. So next, the only other step is to submit it to Discord. We can do a filter, which I'll show you how to do a filter too. But we're going to do Discord. And we want to do send a message. So this is going to send a message to our Discord server. So right now I've got it already, a Discord server connected. If you don't have one, you're going to have to click add and connect to your Discord server. It's very easy to set up. I'll have a link in the description on how to do it, but this is a lot easier than setting up than Telegram or Slack. So it's a real easy connection. Then once you do connect, all you're doing is just click add and you're going to log in. You're going to choose a method, and I'm going to just send a message to a channel because we created a channel. And the channel ID, I get this one set up here, my auto alerts. See if we go to here, see my auto alerts. That's the Reddit channel that I created. And then we just want to put what message do we want. So here's the different information we can put. I'm going to put, let's see. I just want to put that it's a subreddit automation. So if you put 2 stars before and after it, subreddit auto, let me spell this right, automation. And you put 2 stars after it. That's a different HTML markup that they have. It'll come through looking like this, where it's bolded. So you don't have to do that. And then I want to get it to look like this, which is the link title, and then it's a hyperlink to the actual thread, to the actual link that we want. So you have to put the brackets, and we want to put the title in here. And brackets. So that's the title, and then you want to put the link in parentheses. So you put parentheses, and then the URL, and then parentheses. And that's it. If you want to put more information in there, you obviously you can. But this is just a simple automation we have set. So I saved it. Right now, it's gonna pull everyone that we want. So let's since I ran it this last time, we might have ran out. So I'm gonna choose where to start, just to show you that this works. So I'm just gonna pick one here. So I'm just gonna pick that. Click save. And now if we run this once, there. So we ran it. Here's the output. See, it two bundles because it found two different links that came through, and it should have sent two messages. We go over to here, and there it is. There's the two messages that it created. See, I created this tool. Anyone else looking to automate? And then you even have a little summary of it. So that's how we set that up. But what if you don't want all links to come through? Maybe we want to create a filter. So I'm going to set up a filter, and I'm just going to call this whatever, auto. And here's the condition. Maybe the title, we want it to contain a certain word. It's like this is in the automation channel. Maybe I want it to only pull up ones from make.com. So I'm going to look for the word make. Or we can do another one. So maybe the title contains, you can do whatever you want. You can have a different, I'm just going to do a question mark. Maybe it's just, I only want ones that are question mark because those might be easier to make comments to. But you can have anything. If you're looking for something specific to say, you can put that in here, and we'll click save. And then we don't have to run it also. We can set it up to run on a schedule. So it depends how often you want this to happen. Now, I've got this set up for every 30 minutes. That could be quite a bit. There probably aren't even that many coming through. So we may want this to come up maybe every, say, 480 minutes, which would be every 8 hours. So 3 times a day, it'll come through. So you get the 480 minutes. You can even set the advanced scheduling. I've got it set up from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. so I don't get these updates during the night. On what days, you can set up for what days. If you don't want it on the weekends, you can do that. Now click save. And if you want to activate the scenario, activate it. And there. So we've got our complete scenario built. It's only 2 modules and a filter, but you can set it up then to receive any messages of new links on the subreddit according to the filter that you want. And it'll be sent directly to your phone once this runs. And then you can just click on the link and go to it and make a comment. So that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you had any questions. Check out the links below. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.